I'm Dai, and
I'm Pete, I think.
hello, Pete.
Hey, Dai. You alright?
Yeah.
Cool.
We've been friends a while. How long?
Week or two.
A couple of years.
Yeah, okay.
And we met. We were both musicians, so we met playing music in local venues and started jamming together. Having a friend like Pete means that I can talk about any subject, any topic, and nothing's taboo. It's quite natural for us to be talking about music, engineering, and alongside that, I talk about the voices in my head or depression.
He might say he's got something on his mind and we start getting into a conversation. It could be anywhere. I mean, it could be in the pub, it could be at home, could be just in the car, you know. He's got a problem and he wants to get it out. And I really don't find it difficult to do. In fact, it's quite rewarding.
And obviously it's good for me because the ability for me to talk, and not in a therapy type of way,
No.
but in a natural, normal circumstance. Did you see any difference that it makes to me?
Oh yeah, I mean, you come in and you feel quite down and we chat for an hour or so, or maybe two or whatever, and I notice a change in you. You sort of brighten up and lift off and life carries on. It's quite a pleasurable thing for me to do.
Well, to use that analogy, I always think that you help grab the other end of the sofa. You know, it's somebody that comes along and helps me quite naturally, just says, oh, look, he's struggling with that heavy thing, I'll grab end.
Grab the other end, yeah, okay, yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, share the load.
Yeah.
Share the load, man.